Guys, and welcome back to RGTV. Today we're going to do a very simple pull apart cupcake cake. We're going to do a watermelon cupcake cake. So we're just going to need 25 baked cupcakes, and you can use whatever flavor you like. And what we're going to do is we're going to arrange these It's a 13 by 19 inch board, and we're going to put 7 at the top. And you just want to kind of make sure that they are spaced out well. And then we're going to go 6 on the next row. And then it's going to be 5. And then the next one is going to, of course, be 4. And the last row is going to be 3. So 25 cupcakes. Okay, so here is the shape of our watermelon cupcake cake. We're going to get ready to ice it. Okay guys, so now we're going to go ahead and ice our cupcake cake. If you want, you can put a little dab of icing at the bottom of each cupcake to hold it in place if you plan on transporting this. If not, then you're ready to go. We're going to start with our green icing, and we're going to go ahead and pipe the rind. We're going to start with the second row, the first one on the second row, and we're going to pipe a swirl. This is a 1 tip on a homemade icing bag. You're going to start at one edge of the cupcake, pipe, go around the edge, and then back into the center, push in, and pull up. Okay, we're going to do that all the way around. Okay, we're going to leave the top corners bare. Okay, you're going to skip that one. And again, just around, just like that. And our last one, all the way around, push down and pull up. Okay, and now we're going to get our red icing ready. Okay guys, so now we're ready to ice the red, and I have some homemade red icing. If you want to know how I did this, you can go to my channel. I have a video on that. I have a French star tip, and we're going to go ahead and ice the rest of our cupcakes If you don't have that and you just have the one end, you can use that, an open star, closed star, really anything you have, and you can make it all the same. So here we go. We're going to start at the top and we're going to do the swirl the same way. Start on one side, go around, back in, push in, and come up. We're just going to continue icing the rest of our cupcakes. And then just keep twisting your bag or refill if needed. Okay. And one more. This is a great summertime treat, perfect for a picnic party or 4th of July or any get-together. There you have it. It was that easy. Now we're just going to take some mini chocolate chips and we're going to sprinkle them while our icing is still tacky, kind of randomly, onto each red cupcake. Well, that wasn't a chocolate chip, was it? It's okay. I also have an awesome watermelon cake that's done with a layer cake on my channel as well. So definitely go check that out. It is so cute, just like this one. One tried to make a getaway. It's okay. Okay, and if you need a few more, I'm going to bring you guys back a little closer in so that you can see this. Okay guys, you can tell from the other shot that the edges looked a little bare up there on the watermelon portion. It's not a big deal. You can see how cute this looks. It just goes to show you that nothing has to be perfect. This is still absolutely adorable. And if you want, when you make it, you can make your swirls closer together so you don't see as much of the cupcake. But again, the kiddos are absolutely going to love to grab one of these cupcakes, scarf it down, and have some summer fun. So give it a try. If you like my video, leave me a comment down below. Let me know you were here. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.